Creating a cozy and relaxing space for you to be your most productive self does not have to break the bank. I'm sure you already have a full Pinterest board of all of the cozy gaming, cozy reading nooks, cozy vibe type of room setups and office spaces that you have been dying to transform your space into. But let's be honest, some of those items in those rooms are very, very expensive. Well, I'm here today to let you know you do not have to put in a lot of freaking money into your space in order for it to pass the vibe check that you're going for. Hey, hi, hello, my name is Myra. I am your Notion-loving Slytherin, and here on this channel we do all things productivity and cozy tech vibes. So if you're into those kinds of things, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any further videos. In this video, we're gonna talk all things about setting up your space to be as cozy so you can be the most productive in the space without breaking the bank. I've recently transformed my office to not only be a place for productivity, but a place for relaxation, feeling cozy, enjoying my games. It has really become a space that I've absolutely enjoyed being into, and I have been able to not only recharge with rest, but be more productive with my day-to-day content and different various works that I do throughout the week. So I'm going to show you a few things that I tweaked to make my space the most productive that it can be, and some things that maybe you can apply to your room, no matter how big or small. So first things first, this is simple and it doesn't cost you any kind of money. Be sure to declutter your space, whether that is just getting rid of things that does not spark joy, that you haven't touched or used within the past 6 months to a year, or just clearing off your desk and clearing off the space that you have to work and be productive or to rest. Literally just having a clear space, a space where things are placed where they need to be and just feels neat and tidy, really is going to get those creative juices flowing. It's really going to get those productivity juices flowing, because with a clear space, you have a clear head to really focus on the tasks above, or even just to rest. You would not believe the level of things that you can do with just a clear desk. Sometimes having things, especially for me, all around my desk and all around my space can leave me distracted and pull me away to the task at hand. So clear out those things out of your space that you no longer need. Clear that desk off to only things and place them where they need to be. And that way you can eliminate those distractions and really bring in those cozy vibes into your productivity. Now let's get into the little things that you can do that can really set the mood into your space. First off is music. My go-to is a lo-fi. Lately, I have really been enjoying this Animal Crossing lo-fi ambiance kind of channel called Lola Blocks. I'll definitely leave a link to them down below in the description if you want to check it out, because it embodies my all-time favorite game of Animal Crossing New Horizons with different sceneries, whether you want to study or feel like you're in a cafe or in an office setting. It has those vibes, even just simply having like a fireplace in the background. There's so many different videos that you can pick from, and there's so many other videos like that within YouTube if you're not really into the Animal Crossing. But for me, Animal Crossing makes me feel cozy and warm and love when combining that with lo-fi music or even just ambient sounds in the background really does it for me to set the vibe. But do what fits best for you, what music you love that brings you calmness, what music you love to listen to help you focus. Definitely tap into that. I love to cast things to my TV and listen it through my TV. You can put it around of your computer if that's what you have in your space. Utilize those things to really bring that ambiance in space, and music can really help you to make you feel that warm and cozy vibe. Another thing that I added recently to my office that I think takes the space to the next level is lighting. I did have to invest into this, but you don't have to spend entirely too much money putting lighting into your room. I have added the LED strips to the back of my TV area, as well as around my bookshelf and my desk. It is on like a warm light to kind of give that browns and very calming and soothing kind of vibes, especially at night. They are all set to this warm white lighting that kind of gives that brown kind of sunset-y or kind of winding down type of feel to me. I don't really know how else to explain it, but I really am digging the warm white and kind of brownish orange kind of vibes to my lighting that really brings me a little bit of peace, a little bit of calmness to allow me to be the most productive. Majority of the LED strips lights I was able to pick up from TikTok Shop. I was able to get 100 feet for less than 10 bucks. I've also seen them on Amazon for 100 feet around the $12 to $15 areas. All of the things are going to be listed in the description box if you want to check out my Amazon storefront for things that I bought. I will try to make sure that everything on that list is in the cost-effective realm, because I'm all about creating the space that you love, but also saving you a bit of coin. Now, I know that everybody has a different type of space. I basically have converted a spare bedroom into like my office space slash cardio space slash reading space and cozy vibes. So my office is kind of like an all-in-one, but again, you don't need a whole room. It really can be a corner. And my favorite thing that I have converted within my office is what I call my cozy corner. This is a place where I kind of go to lounge, to hang out on my iPad or read on my Kindle. It is very much so a lounging area. I have a beanbag chair, which I'm actually thinking about moving over to maybe like a chase or more of a like light sofa in that area, because I'm, you know, your girl is getting old, and bending up and down off of that beanbag chair is hard on the knees. So, but whatever you like, just utilize what you already have or utilize some cost-effective things. For me, the beanbag chair was a little bit more cost-effective, and it does the trick. It really does get the cozy vibes going. I can curl up in the space. My son loves to hang out there as well, and it's paired with like a little side table and a side bookshelf where I have a little bit of storage and also a space for me to place my iPad if I'm like watching some TV shows or some movies. I also added a little bit of lighting there. The lamp that I have in there was a lamp that I was using for my desk, and I just moved it over to the cozy corner. And I also have this really cool speaker desk that I found at Five Below, so I can even hook up some of my tunes and my lo-fi there, or if I'm listening to like maybe an audiobook, I can hook it up to that table. There is a lot of things that you can really do with just a small space to make it your own and really utilize the things that you already have in your home. You don't have to automatically go out and buy all the things. Really see what you have and things that you can move around. One thing to remember when it comes to your cozy space is that it is your space. I know as we get older, and if you're like me, you're a mom, you're a wife, you're a family person, we tend to put other people first and spread out our energy into other people before we pour into ourselves. With your cozy space, make sure that it's something that is for you. Allow it to be, no matter how big or small it is, something that brings you joy, calmness, and peace, and something that you can come and decompress or be productive in. Even if it's a smaller space or a space that maybe you have to share, make sure your area is for you and has things in it that brings you joy. For me, I love my stuffies. Y'all know I love Animal Crossing. I love having all of my knickknacks with Harry Potter. Those are things that really bring me joy, and those things are in my space that I can see, that I can grab if I want to hug and hold on to, that I can look at and really bring me peace, calm, and happiness. Make sure you incorporate that within your space and allow it to be your space. So there you have it. I hope you guys found this video inspirational and helpful. If so, be sure to leave this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out so this video can get spread to more and more people who are looking to transform their space. Now, if you're looking for more productivity type videos to get you going and ready for the new year, definitely check out these videos here. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video.